Good evening, Brunmai.
Good evening.
This is your IELTS speaking examination that is for academics, and the first part of your examination begins now. Could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. I am Rinmay Kulkarni. Many people find hard to pronounce my name, so you can call me Run or Manu. Anything comfortable with you. I am student. Currently, I completed my graduation and studying for IELTS exam. And also I am studying BB. I studied BBA in Hospitality and Facilities Management. Uh,
Mhm.
I'm basically from Pune, living in Jalandhar from January 2021, as I recently got married.
Mhm. Okay. So, Brunmai, could you please tell us about your birthday? Do you enjoy your birthdays?
Yes, a lot. I enjoy my birthday. I wait for it like 4 months and 6 months from I start countdown
Mhm.
2 months before, and
Okay.
I irritate everyone in my family, all my friends, that my birthday is coming soon. You be prepared, and
Okay.
I love spending time with my about my birthdays. I'm like self obsessed.
Okay. Okay. Self-obsessed. Okay. Uh, do you usually celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I do celebrate my birthday every year, and
Mm-hmm.
I do celebrate it with my family and friends.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I love enjoying my birthday.
Okay. Okay. Do you remember how did you celebrate your last birthday?
Yes, I do remember because it was my last bachelor birthday.
Oh.
It was yes. So when in morning I received a lot of calls and texts. I replied to all of them, and then
Mm-hmm.
it was a very busy day. Then I visited my grandmother and my uncle auntie in morning, and my auntie cooked a favorite vegetable for me,
Mm-hmm.
eggplant vegetable. I love that vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
And then I celebrated it there, and they did a traditional aarti
Okay.
of me in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
With me, my mother, my sister, and my brother-in-law was there.
Mm-hmm.
I celebrated it with my all my maternal family.
Mm-hmm.
In evening, when we returned to our my home back, there was a surprise from my husband to be.
Mm-hmm.
He surprised me with cake and a bouquet of roses.
Okay.
And then we celebrated my birthday on video call. They
Mm.
cut the cake in here, Jalandhar,
Okay.
uh, on my behalf. And then me, my friend, and my friends visited a restaurant late at night around 10 o'clock near
Mm-hmm.
Balewadi High Street. We went to a very different kind of restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
The restaurant name was Incognito.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and we had a Italian dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
then there again, I cut the cake,
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
and
it was
then
a fantastic one. Yeah.
yes, it was the best one
The best one.
till
Okay.
date.
So you remember your last birthday. The same way, do you remember a birthday that you enjoyed the most as a child?
As a child, my every birthday was very special.
Mm-hmm.
My parents used to make it special. They used to invite a lot of people. There used to be a huge buffet every year. On my birthday there used to be a different kind of menu. I don't remember like one, I remember all my birthdays collectively.
Okay.
Yeah, like because every birthday as a child was very happening. I
Mhm.
used to get a lot of gifts and
Mhm.
presents. I I used to love them. I love, one of the reason is for loving my birthday is the gift part of it. And my
Okay.
sister and my brother-in-law always gives me different birthday gift. They make sure that they give me a present on the day, and there used to be a different shaped cakes. I
Mhm.
remember one was in Titanic shape.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all about your personal birthday celebration, birthday celebrations. Can you please tell us which birthdays are considered important in your country? It is in India.
uh, which birthdays? First birthday has a lot of importance in
Mm-hmm.
India. Like first, many people consider 13th and 16th. It is a new trend because
Okay.
after 13, yeah, in children and kids, there is a new trend, and they are very fascinating that they are going to enter they are going to be teenagers, and then they are going to be adults. They will
Okay.
now receive a driving license. So
Okay.
they enjoy 13th and 16th birthday nowadays.
Mm-hmm.
Occasionally, from earlier days, the important ones are 25th birthday, 50th
Okay.
birthday, which is silver jubilee, golden jubilee, 75th birthday, and 100th birthday.
Okay.
Actually, I
Okay.
received my great grandparents' birthday. It was 2 years ago. She passed away, but before she passed away, it was her 100th birthday, and
Oh.
yes, and my maternal family celebrated it with they gave her some flower of made of gold on her
Huh.
100th birthday. So it
Okay.
is kind of a tradition in India.
So these are the important ones. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So thank you, Mrunmay. This is the end of your part one.